In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix video playback issues, problems, and errors on Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and then go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on System. Scroll down, then you have to click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Here you can find the video playback with the Run button corresponding to it. So run the video playback troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. Then after running the video playback troubleshooter, do not forget to restart your Windows. Right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. For the next method is we have to right-click on the Start button and then select Device Manager. Once Device Manager is selected, expand the list for display adapters by clicking on the arrow on the left side. Then you will find your graphics card. Right click and then select Update Drivers. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed and simply close this. And the last thing that we can do is to reinstall our graphics card driver. So right click again on your graphics card, select Uninstall Device and click on the Uninstall button. Do not check the option Attempt to remove the driver for this device. Just simply click on the Uninstall button. After uninstalling it, then you have to make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. Do not forget to restart your Windows after you have uninstalled your graphics card driver. After uninstalling it or after restarting your Windows, that will automatically reinstall the driver into your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.